Hello, good morning. I'm going to be sharing a lot more things about nature on my YouTube channel. And I wanted to start with this beautiful olive tree that's in my yard. I planted this as a small bush when we first bought the house in 2007. And it's grown to be pretty big. And it has really fragrant flowers on it. They smell really, really good. Someone should bottle this and turn it into a perfume. It smells really good. It has the yard smelling so fragrant. And we also have another one over here on the other side. This one is much taller than the other one because we trimmed that one back. But look how beautiful. And this is the one that the cardinals are always in. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. Look at that beautiful yellow butterfly. Did my dog just try to catch that butterfly? Chalky. Thanks for watching.